On August 6, 2026, WordPress released a minor security release, and in this video I'm going to take a look at what's changed or what's fixed in this version, and if you should be concerned about updating to this version at all. Okay, so let's get started. I have the WordPress release post here, and which says this WordPress 7.0.3 release, and it's released on August 6. Okay, so it's basically everything related to security, and I'll just go fast forward because I can see there is only one issue that was fixed in this release. Has a dedicated CVE assigned, which means this is kind of the one with most severance. Okay, so let's see what this one actually allows. So this is a login screen issue, pre-auth. Okay, so I actually did some analysis earlier about what this means, so I'm just going to give you some quick brief on it. Pre-auth means a user can actually take access without even logging into the site and on the login page, and then they can execute any PHP code, which if they can execute any PHP code, they can basically do pretty much anything they want on your website, on your server, whatever. Okay, but the good thing is this is not automated. So this attack, if someone wants to do wants to execute an attack using this vulnerability, they will need to have a manual action from an admin level user first. So they may have to send a malicious URL to an admin, and if the admin somehow clicks on that malicious URL, then they will be able to manipulate the URL and then take access of the site. So yes, it is concerning, but not pretty much if you are someone who is careful about clicking the malicious links. And okay, so the next ones are mostly block related. There are some issues on emoji settings block, and then post content block, quick edit, and okay, so there is another issue which only applies to multi-site installations. That is a privilege escalation issue on multi-site networks with user registration enabled, allowing a user to create a new site reported by Aikido security. Okay, so if you have a multi-site, and any user with a role can actually go ahead and create a new site, and I think I have not tested this, but I think this means an unauthenticated user who was not supposed to have this capability of creating new site, but they were being able to create the new site. So that's the issue, and that's fixed in this update. So there are some other issues like SSRF, server-side request forgery. This also should be taken care of, and that's pretty much it. And okay, so there is another important thing, that this issue actually does not only apply to WordPress 7.0. It applies to many old versions all the way back to 4.7. So yes, if you use any of those older versions, you should update too. And now the other part about if you should update. Okay, so as this is a minor security release, this kind of minor updates are normally updated automatically by WordPress itself. So if you have a website using WordPress 7 or like 6.9, and just like stated in these affected versions, those are supposed to be automatically updated to the patched version. Like if you had a site with 7.0.0 to 7.0.2, this will be automatically updated to 7.0.3. But if you want to ensure all the sites are properly secured and updated, you can just do a quick check of your websites if any of those failed to update for some reason. But otherwise, this should be all the WordPress sites should be automatically updated, and they should be all good now until there is some other security issue arises in future. Okay, so that's pretty much it. If we want to summarize this, the summary is this is released as a minor release, and it is supposed to be updated automatically on all the sites unless it does not have any traffic at all, or if the update process failed for some reason. Otherwise, all the sites will get automatically updated, and there is nothing much to worry about as it if it's get updated automatically. Okay, so that's all for today, and if you like this video or want to catch up with all the other tech related content I share in future, please hit subscribe and keep watching. Thank you.